What's going on, guys? It's your girl Keisha Fortson back with another video today. If you guys new to my channel, please make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for your girl. Also turn on the bell. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use Photoshop, and basically how to make like a outline of your picture. So I'm just gonna use this picture of me. So basically, if you guys like want to make thumbnails with like the little white outline around your body, that's how I'm gonna be showing you guys. So first, what you want to do is you want to come right here to the quick selection tool right here. Click on it, and then you go up here at the top and click on the second one up here, and then you want to go over here and click the size and put the size to 50 and put the hardness to 0%. So once you do that, you want to click sample all layers and auto enhance. So after you do all that, you just want to trace over your body. So like this. Alright, so once you do that, like, you go outside of the box, and you see this over here, you don't want this, like, right there. Okay, so once you do that, you want to hit Alt and J. No, you want to hit Alt and, hit Alt in the, keypad, like what you click with to type, or like to, you know what I'm saying. But yeah. So, basically, you just erasing it to back it back up to outline your body, because you don't want it like outside, you want it like on your body. See, like this right here, like it's on my bed, you want to just put it back on your body. So to do that, to erase it, you just use Alt, A-L-T, and the keypad. Dang it, I did not mean to do that. Alright, let's see, here. Alright, so once you're done with all that, you just want to hit refine edge. Oh, hold on, you see that right there? No, you don't need that right there. So I'm gonna go back and fix it. Alright, whatever. So once you hit refine edge, you wanna come to smooth right here. And I'm gonna put this on 15. And I'm gonna put this on 10. Guys, at the bottom you can hit remember settings, so you don't have to keep going back to do that. So I'm just gonna click remember settings and hit OK. So once you do that, you wanna hit Control and J. Once you hit Control and J, this should pop up over here. And hold on. Damn it, no, I didn't want to do that. Okay, you want to name this outline. And then once you name the outline, you want to right click and go to blending options. And leave this on 100%. You want to go to stroke. And you see it's already black around me, the line. You want to click on stroke. And you can change the size of it to make it bigger, like that. I'm gonna put it to 30. See how that looks? Leave the position to outside, leave this to normal, leave this to 100%, and leave this on color, and you can change the color. I'm just going to change it to white. You can change it to any color you want, guys, but for me, I'm just going to put it to white. See, this is how it looks with different colors. Let me put it back on white. I'm going to hit OK, and hit OK. And basically, that's how the outline looks, guys. If you guys want to just spice up your thumbnails, if you guys new to making thumbnails, I'm new to making thumbnails because I used to tell people, can they make thumbnails for me? So this is just like a little starter off for me, just having an outline around my body. I'm still going to try to work on like getting the background really good. But if you guys want to add text to it, you guys can. I'm going to show you what the text look like. I'm going to hit enter. And I'm going to right click, the same thing for the text. And I'm going to hit blending options. Okay, and then you want to go to gradient overlay. And that's what that looks when it pop up. And I'm going to go to stroke. Click on stroke. This is what the size do. The size to just give it like the outline look on that as well. I'm gonna change it to to 20. You guys can change the color of this as well, but I'm just gonna put mine to black. And I'm gonna hit OK. You guys can mess around with it on here too, but I'm just gonna leave mine how it is. Basically that's how that looks. You guys can change the font up here. I put it to 100 to make the font more bigger. You could type in any number for the text to make it bigger. This stays on sharp. And basically, guys, that's it. If you guys enjoyed this video on how to make an outline for your thumbnails or whatever, guys, if I could do this, you guys could do this, because I just did this one time and I just got it correct. So if you guys want to just try something new, try to make your own thumbnails, guys, this is a starter until you keep trying to add some more stuff, whatever, to like the background or whatever. That will be fine. But this is just a starter on how to start making thumbnails. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, turn on the bell, comment if this helped you guys out. I don't want to be selfish. I want to help out everyone. So I'm not a selfish person. I try to help out everyone as much as I can, give them advice with YouTube and all that. But if this helped you guys, just please comment down in the section below. Subscribe if you're new. Like this stream, y'all. I said like this stream. Like this video, y'all. Sorry, I'm thinking about streaming right now. But yeah, guys, K Nation Mafia, we out.